Oo. Okay na.
Okay. Okay na. Patin.
Let's practice. Now, here are our recommendations to improve the product. First, further refine formulation and extensive research for safety and effectiveness. Invest in proper production equipment for consumers. Pressured. Yeah. Why? I don't know. Why there's not
Find your height? Tayo ka na.
Ito, this is
Kay Limar talaga.
Ay,
Hindi na sa'yo ng writing.
isabal na. Asan yung product natin? Fall in love, just like... Asan yung product natin? Hala, may kismay ka na! Hala! Hala! Laba siya. Laba siya.
Sa baba na.
Sa baba na. Na-record yung magbabash. Hala, huwag kang ganyan. Masamang ugali. Sorry po. Hold down ka na. Tagal lang.
Show that the main vital product is valuable advancement, specifically in the field of nursing, education, and clinical practices by integrating features with sensor feedback and blood system. Very vital addresses the limitation of training tools and provide a safe and immersive environment for nursing students to practice their function that will highlight the model potentials to enhance competence and confidence in all model procedures. For the recommendation to improve the effectiveness of the branding vital, two areas from the product need enhancement. Will the current sensor detect the specific 3 ml syringe with future refinement? It should be able to detect butterfly needles which are commonly used in manufacture. The sensor must respond even to minimal contact by upgrading sensor technology to accommodate different types of needles. Additionally, improve the tubing and light pressure required to puncture human veins, which affect the training experience. Future researchers should explore different and diverse materials that balance the flexibility. 12.
Bilang kayo. Wala tumawa. Nakakayo.
Take 3, take 10.
For